In a quiet corner of Galaroza, Huelva, Spain, stands a house rich in history, now reborn with a new face. This is House Studio, a home and architecture studio that seamlessly blends daily life with creative work into one cohesive space. Designed by Carlos Gómez SOS of an arquitectura, this project is more than just a residence, it's a space for reflection and exploration, showing how living and working can coexist in harmony. Known as La Posada, the house is believed to be the oldest building in Galaroza, though its exact age remains unknown. In 2012, it was chosen as both the living and working space for the architect. From that moment, a transformation began, a 5-year design journey that would turn this historic house into what it is today. One of the key strengths of House Studio lies in how it embraces the duality between home and workspace. Instead of drawing a strict line between the two, the design introduces intentional ambiguity, blurring the boundaries between domestic life and creative process. The workspace runs transversely and intersects with the more longitudinal living area, creating lively and dynamic meeting points, particularly toward the corral or sunlit backyard. La Posada itself provided the ideal foundation for this experiment. Each space within it has its own character, from the dark, earthy basement to the upper floor, honest and raw in its materials. These contrasting elements are orchestrated to redefine the experience of living and working. Even simple activities like gardening in the small backyard have become part of the design narrative, bringing balance between creative intensity and everyday serenity. The rehabilitation was carried out with care and a strong commitment to sustainability. Every surface was touched by hand. Floor beams were dismantled, inspected, and meticulously put back together. Old materials were reused, stones from demolished sections were rebuilt into walls and roof edges, traditional clay tiles were reinstalled in the courtyard, and old doors were transformed into furniture pieces. Additional materials were selected based on their relevance to the context and local roots: handcrafted wood from Galaroza artisans, clay flooring that visually ties the spaces together, and lime mortar used for the upper-level walls. All of this served one purpose: to create a home that is authentic, rooted in its history, yet open to the future. From the thoughtfully chosen materials, the consciously designed spaces, to the fluid relationship between working and living, House Studio is a true inspiration for anyone looking to create a meaningful living environment.